Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very interesting and trendy. So nowadays there is a trend going on, like people used to test few hacks from 5-minute crafts, and they basically test out few hacks like skincare, makeup or fashion hacks. So today I also come up with the same idea, like kinda same idea. So today in this video I'm going to test out the cleanup or the facial routine by 5-minute crafts. So it's basically a 5-step cleanup or facial routine which includes makeup removing, cleansing, toning, face scrub and a face mask. And it's all DIY, like basically skincare at home. So now let's see how it goes and test out the 5-minute crafts cleanup or the facial routine. So the first step is to remove your makeup, and to remove your makeup they have used the coconut oil as the makeup remover. So I know that this hack will perform brilliantly because coconut oil is a very good agent in remove your makeup. It removes your makeup completely and it also doesn't have any preservatives or chemicals, which is very good for your skin. It's really good in anti-aging, and yeah, coconut oil has amazing properties. So now let's test out this one, and here I'm using the parachute coconut oil, but you can use any coconut oil which you have. So I am just going to take a little bit on my finger and just rub it between my fingers and gently massage it to remove the makeup. It just melts the makeup really fastly, which is really good, and yeah, it works so good as a makeup remover. I have used this hack many times before. When I'm just run out from my makeup remover, I use coconut oil as the makeup remover. So this hack is really brilliant and good. You should also try it. Now I'm just taking a cotton pad and let me just show you. And let's test out on the lipstick. So yeah, all removed. As you can see, it removes your makeup very effectively. So now all the makeup has been removed, and now let me just wash my face with plain water. So now after removing the makeup and washing my face with clean water, this is how I look. So I will rate this DIY makeup remover 10 on 10 because I love coconut oil as a makeup remover. And now let's move on to the second step, which is the facial cleansing. And for that, they have used the aloe vera leaf and the lemon. So I did not have the aloe vera leaf at home, so I used the ready-made aloe vera gel from Patanjali. So I just took 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel in a clean bowl and then just squeeze half lemon in it. So this is the mixture and this is how it looks. So now I'm just going to dip the cotton pad into this mixture and squeeze out the excess, and after that I am going to cleanse my face with this. So she has just normally rub it all over the face, and that is what I'm doing too. Just rub it all over your skin to deeply clean your skin. So now after rubbing it all over your skin, now you have to leave it for 5 minutes, and after that wash it off with normal water. So I just washed my skin after using that cleanser, and oh my god, that cleanser worked really great. I was not expecting it to work that great. So after using coconut oil as the makeup remover, there was oiliness on my skin which I was not liking, but this cleanser worked as the normal face wash and removed all the oiliness and the residue of makeup from my skin, and yeah, it worked really good. So I will rate this DIY facial cleanser a 9 on 10. So now after cleansing the face, now the third step is toning, and for the toner they have used tomato juice and the honey. So I've also done the same way. I've took a little bit of tomato juice in a clean bowl and then add 1 teaspoon of honey in it. So the mixture looked something like this, and now I just have to apply it on my face. So this is what I'm doing right now. So just dip your brush into it and normally apply it all over your skin. So after applying a nice layer of this on your skin, now you have to leave it for 5 minutes as described by them. So I am also going to leave it for 5 minutes, and after that I will rinse it off. So again, I just washed my skin after using that toner, and I have mixed feelings for this toner. I don't know how well it performed because I don't see much difference on my skin. But yeah, it's perfectly fine. It feels a little bit smooth though, but a tiny bit, like a tiny bit. So yeah, I will rate this facial toner 6 on 10, I would say. Yeah, 6 on 10. So now let's move on to the face scrub. So DIY face scrubs are my favorite. I used to make my own face scrub at home every now and then. I love using homemade face scrubs as well as face mask. So to prepare the face scrub, they have used rice flour, lemon and aloe vera gel. So I also did the exact way. So you just have to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel in it, and lastly add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in it. And if the consistency is not so smooth, then add more lemon juice just to make a smooth consistency. So now after mixing all the ingredients, this is how it looks. I love using rice flour in my face scrubs, but I've never used this combination. So now let's see how will it perform. So you just have to firstly apply it all over your face, and after that just gently scrub your face. So now after gently scrubbing for 30 to 45 seconds, now I'm just going to wash it off. So there was no time mentioned by the 5-minute crafts video, but I suggest you to not scrub your face more than 30 to 45 seconds. And now I am just going to rinse it off. So I just washed my skin one more time. The problem was not with the face scrub. The problem is with my dry skin. So I have dry skin and I don't usually love lemon as the main ingredient in my face scrub or face mask. But in this face scrub, lemon was the binding ingredient. Like it binds the whole scrub, which was a problem for me. Lemon makes my skin harsh and I did not feel oh so great after using this face scrub. But if you have oily skin or if you love lemon in your face scrub or face mask, then you would definitely love this face scrub, and I want to give this face scrub 6 on 10. And now let's move on to the final step, which is the face mask. And to prepare this face mask, they have used green tea and cucumber juice. So to prepare this face mask, I will take hot water in a cup and then dip 1 green tea sachet in it. And now after a few minutes, the green tea is prepared. And now the next ingredient of this face mask is cucumber juice. And now I'm going to add a little bit of green tea in it. And once it's done, now I'm going to take a face mask and dip it into this mixture. So yeah, this is the face mask which I have, and now I have to apply it onto my skin. So I will just squeeze out the excess because I don't want so much watery situation onto my face. So I'll just squeeze out the excess. So I just need to apply it onto my skin. And now I'm applying this mixture onto this face mask just so that it sticks on really nicely. And after applying this face mask, you have to leave it for 15 minutes. So yeah, 15 minutes are up and I just removed my face mask. And this is how my skin looks just after this DIY facial routine. Yeah, I feel a little bit difference in my skin. It feels much fresh for sure, like fresh and clean. But I miss one thing in this face mask, which is moisturization. Like there was no moisture ingredient, neither in the face scrub nor in the face mask. And there was only one moisturizing ingredient, which was honey, and it was in toning. But you just have to wash that off, like you have to wash the toner after 5 minutes. So it's not of so use. but I especially miss the moisturizing ingredient in the face mask. So I'm not so happy with the face mask. Like, face scrub is much better than the face mask now. I feel that I have dry skin, as you now know, and genuinely missed the moisturizing ingredient in the whole routine. But if you have oily skin, I'm not saying sensitive skin because I don't think that lemon will suit sensitive skin, but I think that the oily skin will really love this face scrub if they love lemon, because lemon is one of the main ingredient of this whole cleanup. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.